Hello friends, my name is Rahul and today I'm here to show you live demo about terahertz frequency products. I have two products with me. One is from Viiva India, which is US based company. One I have taken from one Malaysian based company who claim they are best in the market. And also there are multiple companies in India who manufacture product on terahertz frequency. But how to identify the product is genuine? So today I'm going to have a test on the radiation and also I'm going to have a test on terahertz frequency. So this machine called terahertz detector. So now I'll show you radiation first. You can see this product does not have a radiation. There is no red light. Okay. Now you can see I just touched and there is a radiation. You can see the red light. So this product has a radiation. Right. Now I'm going to have a test of terahertz frequency and I'm going to deduct. So this machine has crystal which generate the terahertz frequency. I'm going to keep it here. You can see there is no indication. There is no beep sound. And I have a crystal from the Viiva India. So just keep it here. You can see the beep. So this machine has terahertz frequency. This machine is genuine. So my friend, before buying 2 terahertz frequency product, be careful and take a wise decision, because terahertz frequency is helping in various kind of pain and other health benefit. Thank you so much.